Good evening, everyone. My name is Sanjay Singh. I welcome all of you to this online session on RSCSA on RHEL 8.1, which is updated version of Red Hat Linux. So today I'm going to show you how to install RHEL 8.1 on your system. So we'll start with the installation and then step by step I'll show you all the practical lab with explanation. So I'll upload all the course video series here. So I'll do that step by step. So first of all, I'm going to create a machine, Linux machine for myself. If you want to install your VM, Linux VM on your workstation, VMware workstation, so you need to open your VMware workstation, click on new VM, and then I'm going with the typical option, then typical option, then click on next, then operating system I will choose later, click on next. From here, which OS you are going to use here? So I'm going to use here Red Hat Linux. So right now 8 is not available in 15, so I'm going with 7 64-bit. Click on next. Name of your VM, so in my case that would be RSGL 8.1. Then location, if you want you can go with you can install in your default location, otherwise I'm going with custom location. So that is my custom location. So 20 GB is recommended size, so I am going with 40 GB here, and store virtual machine as a single file. So all files will be configured in a single file as a single file. Now here I am going to change my memory, so I'm going to use here 4 GB. So 2 GB is also enough. If you want you can install with 2 GB. I'm going with 4 GB here. Then CD DVD, so I'm going to use here ISO file. So where it is, click on OK. Network adapter, so I'm going with NAT configuration so that we can use internet inside my VM. Now click on power on button. Your VM will be start. So now you are getting two options here. You can see we are going to install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.1.0. So we have two options here. One is install Red Hat Enterprise Linux, or second one is test media. So if you want to test your ISO file, your DVD, the files or packages are correct, all files are there, so you can choose second option. So before installation you can test your media. So I know my media is okay, so I'm going with my default option, which is first option. So install Red Hat Enterprise. Process will be start, booting process will be start, all files will be loaded here. So you can see running Anaconda. So Anaconda is main configuration file of your Linux. So whatever configuration you will do, that will be saved into anaconda.cfg. Now we need to select a language. So I'm going with my default language, which is English US. Click on continue. So here we need to select our keyboard language. So I'm going with default English US. Language support English US. Date and time you can change from here. So you can search from here, or you can select from map. So I'm going with Asia Calcutta. Time format you can change from here. Click on done. Installation source, so local media, installation selection, server with GUI. If you want you can change these options, whatever server you want to install along with your installation. So you can select your type of server, Windows file server, debugging tools, these are the tools, FTP server, so mail server. So all what server which you will select, the package will be installed along with your machine. Okay, so I'm going with server with GUI. Click on done. Now installation, destination. So destination is my disk which I am going to use. You can use your iSCSI or you can use Target LUNs. So if you have SAN, you can use your LUNs also. You can map your LUNs also here. You can click on add a disk and then you can map your iSCSI target or your iSCSI SANs, so that you can map here. So right now we don't have, so I'm not going to use this option. We're going with local disk. Now you can create your partitions like your directories. So if you want to create, if you want to manage yourself, then you will use custom and then you will create your partitions. Otherwise if you select automatic, so it will automatically create the recommended partitions. So I'm going with the recommended. Click on done. If you want to use kdump, you can use, which is a virtual memory for Linux. Network, so network we have Ethernet which is disconnected. So if you want, you can connect from here. Click on. Then host name, if you want, you can change from here. Otherwise you can change from your uh, inside your VM. Okay, so I'm going with the default. Click on done. Security policy I'm not going to configure here. System purpose I'm leaving here. I'm going with the default configuration. The rest thing we will configure inside our VM. So click on begin installation. I'm going with the basic configuration. The rest thing we will do after installation. So now we need to set a root password. Root is the admin of your Linux VM, that means the powerful user. Okay, so for that user you need to set password. So use complex password. So you need to use strong password for your VM and then click on done. Oh, password don't match. One second. So that is my password. Yeah. User creation. If you want, you can create a local user also. So right now we are going with the root for user. So if you need, you can create a local user also from here. So now it is installing your all packages as per the selection. So whatever server you have selected, it will install all the packages from that server. So now our VM is ready. We need to reboot. So licensing, we need to accept license here. Access license term. Then user settings. If you want, you can create new user from here. Let me create a new user with the name of test, full name test, and password. system. So subscription manager, let's go here. So if you have your keys, you can select your keys. Okay, so I will use an activation key, so you can select this and then you will use subscription. Okay, right now we don't have, so we are not going to register. Click on finish configuration. Now you are in the console of Linux. So I am going to sign in with root user here. That is the console of GUI console of your Linux RHEL 8.1. So if you want location privacy, you can on. So I'm going to enable this. Connect your online account. So if you want, you can connect your accounts of Chrome. So right now I'm leaving all the things default. As per the requirement, we will install all the things. So this is the console of Genome. So the desktop which we are the GUI platform which we are using, that is the Genome GUI platform. So you can click on this button here. You are able to see you are using wired connection. You can set your volume. You can power on your Bluetooth. You are logged in through root. Anytime you can log out. You can do your settings here. You can click on power off. You can manage your connection. Okay, so that you can all do all the settings here. So we'll do the settings once this will be required. Okay, right now we are done with the installation. In next video, I'll show you how to manage this RHEL 8.1. Thank you guys. Bye bye. I'm going to shut down this VM. So click on power button. You can click on power off, or you can use init 0 command for shutdown.